Today, we'll explore how participles, thosing and ed forms are often used incorrectly. You'll learn how to spot errors and make your sentences grammatically clear and correct. Be careful with participle phrases. The subject of the participial phrase must match the subject of the main clause. Being in a hurry refers to the person, not the door. So say, she left the door open. Another example of a mismatched subject. Keys can't run. Make sure the person doing the action is the subject of the sentence. The past participle should follow the noun it describes. The goods ordered is a reduced clause, the goods which were ordered. Don't say the ordered goods unless ordered is part of an adjective. Dangling participles make your sentence unclear or even funny. The phrase driving home must describe the subject that follows. Since rain doesn't drive, revise the sentence properly. Here's another example of a subject mismatch. Who was walking into the room? The speaker, not the lights. Always make sure your ring phrase refers to the correct subject. Worn out here seems to describe you, not the shoes. Keep modifiers close to the words they describe. Say, I threw the worn out shoes, to be clear. When using participles for actions happening at the same time, clarity matters. Break up the sentence with commas and conjunctions. Otherwise, it sounds rushed or confusing. Don't let participles dangle. The phrase, coming out of the cinema, needs a subject, like I. Rewrite the sentence using a full clause if needed. Time for a quick quiz. Can you fix these? What's the subject of each participial phrase? If the subject isn't the one doing the action, rewrite the sentence to avoid confusion. The phrase turning the corner must describe you, not the car. If the object is doing something unrelated, the sentence feels jumbled. Make your subject clear and use a full clause if needed. He entered the room, slamming the door, throwing his coat, sitting down angrily. He entered, slammed the door, threw his coat, and sat down angrily. Avoid stuffing too many participles into one sentence. It sounds unnatural. Break long actions into separate verbs to keep the sentence smooth. The broken toy crying loudly upset the child. The broken toy, which was making noise, upset the child. Here, crying loudly makes it seem like the toy is crying. When multiple modifiers are used, rewrite or separate them to make the meaning clear. Good use of participles. Correct examples. Worried about the results, she couldn't sleep. Standing by the window, he watched the traffic. Built in 1920, the house needs renovation. Participles are useful when used correctly. These examples show good subject-participle match. Keep the subject clear and your sentence structure clean. Final quiz, choose the correct sentence. Text. Pick the correct version. 1. Being hungry, the sandwich looked tasty. Being hungry, he thought the sandwich looked tasty. 2. Falling asleep, the book dropped. Falling asleep, she dropped the book. 3. Cooked well, the guests enjoyed the meal. Cooked well, the meal pleased the guests. Let's end with a final quiz. Which sentence is correct? In each pair, the correct version uses the participle with the right subject. Watch for dangling modifiers and misplaced descriptions.
Thank you. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.